What if you could eat more and still lose weight? 5 low-calorie recipes for weight loss. If you are looking to slim down, these weight loss recipes are a great place to start. From breakfast to lunch to dinner, these recipes are low in calories and high in fiber. These are your boring boiled veggies either. We are talking comfort food reimagined with flavor, balance and under 400 calories. And stick around until the end for a bonus tip most doctors won't tell you, especially if you are hit a weight loss plateau. Recipe number 1, Savory Oats Power Bowl. You had a oats for a breakfast, sure, but have you ever tried them savory? Oats are just for a sweet tooth. This savory power bowl is loaded with fiber, protein and flavor. What you need: half cup rolled oats, 1 cup water or low sodium vegetable broth, 1 egg poached or boiled, handful of spinach, sliced cherry tomatoes, salt, pepper, chili flakes, optional 1 teaspoon olive oil or sesame seeds. How to make it: cook your oats in water or broth until thick and creamy. In a separate pan, saute spinach lightly or microwave with a splash of water. Top oats with spinach, sliced tomatoes, a poached egg and a sprinkle for a chili flakes. Drizzle olive oil or sesame seeds for extra texture. Calories around 320. It keeps you full for oats without the crush, and the best part, it's ready in 10 minutes. Recipe number 2, lettuce wrapped chicken tacos. Tacos and weight loss? Yes, it's possible. These high protein, low carb tacos version skip the tortillas but keeps all the flavor. Ingredients: 100-gram ground chicken or turkey, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half chopped onion, half teaspoon paprika, cumin, garlic powder, iceberg or romaine lettuce leaves, diced tomatoes and avocado, lime veg. Steps: saute onion in olive oil, add chicken and spices, cook until brown. Scoop the mixture into lettuce leaf like taco shells. Top with tomatoes, avocado and a squeeze of lime. Each taco is under 90 calories. Eat 3 and you are still under 300. Crunchy, juicy and satisfying without the carb coma. Recipe number 3, zucchini noodles with creamy avocado sauce. Craving pasta but worried about calories? This next one will blow your mind. Zucchini noodles or zoodles are the ultimate pasta swap that lets you enjoy your favorite dish gluten-free. You need 1 medium zucchini, spiralized half-ripe avocado, 1 garlic clove, juice of half lime, 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt or plain curd, salt, pepper, optional cherry tomatoes or grilled tofu. Instructions: blend avocado, garlic, lemon, yogurt, salt and pepper until creamy. Saute zucchini noodles for 1-2 minutes. Don't overcook. Toast zoodles in the sauce. Top with tomatoes or tofu. Calories around 280. It's creamy, tangy and leaves your pasta craving satisfied without the pasta. Recipe number 4, Chickpea Stir Fry Bowl. You never look at canned chickpeas the same way again. This stir fry is a plant-based powerhouse, protein-rich, budget-friendly and super quick. You need 1 cup canned chickpeas, rinsed, half chopped bell pepper, half cup broccoli, florets, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon low sodium soya sauce, garlic, ginger, chili flakes. How to prepare: heat oil, saute garlic and ginger, add chickpeas and veggies, stir fry 5-7 minutes, add soya sauce, chili flakes, toast everything well. Serve hot. This dish clocks in at just 350 calories and keep you full thanks to the fiber and protein combo. It's meal prep friendly too. Recipe number 5, Greek yogurt veggie wrap. You've seen wrap before, but this one hides a creamy twist that makes it unforgettable. This recipe combines the crunch of fresh veggies with the creaminess of Greek yogurt for the perfect low calories lunch or snack. What you need: 1 whole wheat or low carb tortilla, 3 tablespoons plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon mustard, sliced cucumber, carrot, lettuce, bell pepper, pinch of black salt or chaat masala for flavor. What to do: mix yogurt and mustard for for a quick spread. Layer veggies on the tortilla, add a sprinkle of black salt, roll it up. Calories just about 300. It's crunchy, tangy and refreshing and ready in under 5 minutes. Bonus tip before we wrap up, here's that bonus tip most people and even many doctors completely overlook. Water-rich foods. You heard that right? Fruits and vegetables with high water content like cucumber, watermelon, zucchini and orange help you feel full with fewer calories. Why? Because water takes up space in your stomach. Pair these foods with your meal or have them 15 minutes before eating and you will naturally eat less without even trying. This one shift can break weight loss plateau and help curb mindless snacking. So there you have it, 5 delicious low calories recipes that are easy, filling and packed with flavor. Try any one of them today and feel the difference by dinner and lunch. Don't forget to share this with someone who looking to eat better without giving up taste. And of course subscribe for more simple foods that fuels your goals.